Yo, yo. Sorry, I'm just rushing on. Give me one. All right. Memory. Has there been much volume for the second part of the day? I'm trying to adjust this, but tweak. I got a little bit of a code for. Remember, I was talking about the fucking top stocks? I gotta play with it though. So it'll give it like a bullish bias and then a bearish. And then in the middle means that it's not really moving that much. But I gotta tweak. I gotta tweak at, what the time frame. Yeah. It wasn't as hard as I thought. And I just got off of work. Been working since fucking 2 a.m. 2 a.m. What garbage, Maverick? I don't know, like, if it's gonna help us with entries, but maybe it can help us on what's the bias that's going on too, you know? Well, I had as let me make sure this shit works.
Daddy, chill.
Hello.
Daddy, chill.
Oh. I had it, I could change some shit about it too. Alright, give me 2 seconds. Roberto! Scorpion ball. my poison fucking, my snake oil. Ah, did it really, Maverick? That fucking sucks. What what prop? See if we can get anything here. Yeah, I was fucking around with this. Didn't make. It was a 5-minute. It's 5-minute look back. I can make it so it's lines too. To show the visual. But I think it would probably look on a 5-minute chart. And I was fucking around with it, so. So it's bullish, bullish, bullish. This is when it turns bearish. Let's see what happens when it turns bearish. Bearish. Started to go down pretty hard, huh? I don't know. It's just something I'm looking at. I'll have to fuck with it more. Like right now, it's gray, meaning like there's just no fucking movement. And let's look in the stock heat map. Ooh. Well, this is the hour. Past hour. This is a 5-minute update
Daddy?
on the percentage change.
Is that you?
All gold. I haven't looked at gold in a while, dude, because nobody can trade it. Daddy can trade it, but
Hater X, welcome to the Soul Daddy.
so like right now, it's gray, right? So, and you can look at the market; it's not really moving. So if we go to the yes, exactly. So 5-minute, you can see that it's kind of like, hey, it's green going up, but it's also going red. And I need to tweak this obviously a little bit. Down, down, down. This is just if you wanted a quick bias. I can make it even longer too, like a 15-minute. I really have to code that. But like, say like you just wanted short term.
Is that you? Yado, welcome to the Soul Daddy.
I can make it do that tweak. I just did the 5-minute one because we're day trading. But we could possibly do any time frame. It does kind of feel smart, right? Because that's what's really moving the market is these fucks, right? But I need to tweak that a little bit more. We'll see. But right now, yeah, literally one on each one, right? Exactly. But I need to find the right fucking place, you know? Because what happens if, like, Apple does come out with fucking really good news, and then what? And then we're still stuck on the red bias, so it's really weird. That's gonna be hard to, figure out. But we'll fuck around with it. We'll see. Maverick, I have a lingering funded account with Top One. Oh my god, you use them? Not just joking. I never was pleased by their rules, Top One features. Did you get a payout with Top One? Exactly. Exactly. Try to look at gold. Gold looks. Oh, that's fucking sweet. Free is good for me too. Be like, this is red. Let's see what it is on. This shouldn't matter though, right? Well, it might need some more tweaking. Should all be the same, unless it is the same.
Daddy? Is that you?
Zoom in a little bit here.
Elliot, welcome to the soul, Daddy.
How'd you guys all do today? Honestly, like this was a banger right here. I thought we were gonna catch the bottom here. We were fucking close, but it wasn't it. It wanted a little bit more souls. And then that's what we got this banger. This is like a $500 winner right here. That was a banger. All in Discord. When I'm at work, sometimes it's hard, to trade. Nice. And you got $700. What? That was on the one over here before, right? I think they're calling that. Fuck yeah, money's green. Maverick, looking at the dashboard, I need to trade it up 6K to qualify. Oh my god, see, that's a lot. Can you do it in one day, Maverick? Alright, let's see if we can get a winner here. My man Tweak. Thanks for the share, bro. For the share. Alright. That sounds terrible, Maverick. We might have to go to a 30-second chart. Let's just look at news real quick just to make sure. Today's 11th. Trump speaks at 4:30, of course. Oh, Cisco Systems earnings today at 16:05. And guess what, you fat fucks? McDonald's earnings are today. You fucking McFatties. Might have to go to a 30-second chart. Look at this shit. This is disgusting. Lucid Flex is very fucking easy. It's just like simple rules. You don't gotta think. Bob, are you trading gold? Did Take Profit Trader you still in Take Profit Trader, Bob? So I guess they didn't limit it, huh? I wonder if they're getting destroyed like everybody else. Well, you know what? They're smart because they'll move you to live if you make too much. Yo, Lucid, no joke. I got 2 payouts in like 17 fucking seconds. I've never seen it like that before. You know how like take profit trader is still like, oh, you gotta even take profit trader is very fast, right? I think I got take profit trader in 8 hours. The gold. Take profit trader was like, oh, it's going up. I would be interested in it here. Yeah, like they fool you a little bit. Like you definitely get your money quick. If I trade this, I need to take off Apex. I can trade Lucid only. Let's see. Might be able to get a run up here. I have to take off Apex if I trade this stuff. All right, let's see if we can get a buy here on gold. Lucid Direct? Oh man, they're expensive. I'm telling you, the eval is it's not that bad. Yeah, it will put you in a fucking fucked up state. I need it to come down a little more, 110s. Texas. That was a sweet trade you had last night. It's not coming down. What time was that? You were in that. Yeah. I was trying to look at gold, but I don't think it's gonna go. Everything's at a standstill. You know why? Because Cisco earnings. Let's see.
Democratic senators urged Trump administration to use North America free trade talks to crack down on Chinese vehicles.
Well, hello, everybody. This is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets.
What's up, Winter Man? We just need a little bit of look at this fucking movement here. What is this? This is bad. Gold's killing. There's no volume. Like, I want to get in long here, but there's no volume. Looks disgusting. Most likely, Nasdaq is going to come down, but risking it sounds stupid. How did you guys all do today? Maverick. I don't know why, if I'm even... I feel like I've been... Oh, there it goes. Day trading. Live. I can't get on the, I can't get on the, found page. I don't get it. Something happened when I went to fucking... When they switched over. Yeah, I can't be found. Blacklisted. I can't be found. If you guys don't mind, just tap that screen. Let's get me like at least to 1,000. I did put $100 into an old Toster account. I mean, whoa. Whoa, daddy. I don't know what Matt Top Step's like fucking digging himself a hole, huh? I don't know why. Let's look at gold for you. Yeah, gold's just not holding. I don't like the volume at all on gold. I would chill on it. Are you short or long? Short? Yeah, most likely it wants to fill. I was hoping it came up here and then fell, but really fucking dead, to be honest with you. For gold. Oh, you do have a few funded with them? Yeah, if you like Top Step, Lucid's even faster. I wish they had more payout though. I definitely wish they had more payout on Lucid. But their live sounds pretty good too for Lucid. And is M&Q really gonna wait for Cisco earnings? And McDonald's earnings, you fat fucks? You McFatties? What's Silver been doing? Did you trade Silver at all, Bob? That was banana. Give me something, you little batch. Fucking rushed home, huh? You want to make sure you fix your accounts off of Alpha Daddy? There's Cisco earnings today. There's also McDonald's earnings for you fat mother fucking chicken nugget lover. Um, yeah, it's the same thing. Flex and Black is
Verizon
cheaper.
shares are up in a volume spike here, lost up around 3%.
Now these love to get filled. So we'll have to see what happens here. I'll just in case. I might be looking for a long soon. But it will be very quick because there's a lot of other order blocks above here. We do have a nice short here, so let's see what happens if it changes colors. It might just break right through. Okay, there's that orange. Fucking thing. It's gonna rip up without us, isn't it? 2 seconds left. I don't want to chase it, but up. We're gonna go in 2. And then 295s to 300 should be our exit. Longing M and Q. A quick scalp. 285s to 295s, so about 10 points. This was orange, so it's probably going to pop up a little bit. It should pop back up. Just in case this doesn't fucking hold. Let's see where the next one is. There we go. Could have been the top. I don't want to size in too much, because if it does drop, then we have to. Should be okay, though. It should be this one. Trying to see which one to draw. It sucks because there's another order block here. If we are wrong for some odd reason, we do come down, I might just double my entry size down here. Think it drops. Does look a little dumpy. But my still fucking holding. I wonder if it's gonna be like this morning. I was like, wow, this shit looks good. But Alpha Daddy says up. We'll see. If not, we'll just catch the next one. Why sorry? It looks both. I bet you it dumps eventually right now, so this 5-minute here is huge. Might even just take some out because it does look a little dumpish at the same time. I'm like a snipe. Bang! Bang! Baby moves, though. Baby moves. That was a difficult one. Yeah, I was like... I'm still unsure on it, you know? It's still a little dumpish looking. But it looks like it wants to pick out the bottom here. I gotta read more on this VIX. I used to know it for stocks. It used to be like above like a certain like 20, right? Above 20 means that could get real jumpy, right? Up and down. Some shit. Nvidia, Apple. So it's like a medium, right? So what does this say? A little, maybe the threshold needs to be adjusted here. Yeah, it's going back into gray. It's still unsure. Something we're definitely going to chill and look at. You can't make more than 50%. So if you're talking about Lucid Maverick, your goal is 3,000. So it's just like Top Step. You can't make more than $1,500 in one day just for the passing stage, the E valve. So 1,500 one day and 1,500 the next day. But Lucid, you could activate instantly once you pass, which is cool. It's not, you know, you don't got to wait till the next day. which is huge in my opinion because it sucks to wait. Nothing. Yo, my TikTok is messed up, man. Yes, 2-day pass. And I believe black on eval is a 2-day pass too, but you can get, I think it's 60% consistency, so you can make a little bit extra on accident. Maybe I'll try black in the future. They say you can make way more money. Every 3 days, you make $1,500 payout. Sounds pretty good to me. I was a little iffy on it at first, but the 5-day one, I feel like there's no pressure either, though. Don't want that. I'm gonna go up like we thought it was before. Wait. Here's the really big overturn over here. See the percentage of this goes up? Let's look at the stock heat map. So Apple's having really good news right now. And I made it so it's weighted, so like a certain amount has higher percentage on it. And maybe I can make it into like a little table too instead. I don't fucking know. It's all up in the air. I don't know why I'm not getting noticed on TikTok. Fuck. Five-minute is right here. But I've noticed you gotta trade the 5-minute one for that to work. And 5-minute, 7 minutes into the MOC imbalance. Fuck Nova, she's in fucking the dungeon right now. That little batch. I'm a little annoyed. So, I haven't drove my Cybertruck in like a couple weeks. I was in Mexico, and there was an update. So I'm talking to Nova in my truck, and I was asking it certain questions. I don't know what the fuck I was asking it, and it said I reached my maximum questions for the day. I was like, what the fuck is this shit? I'm gonna be so pissed off. Christine! Nova, you know who I usually ask questions? My robot girlfriend. The one that wants to have relationships with you. He's been in the dungeon for quite a while. Tweak was saying that his Nova said, remember that, Christine? It was saying some wild shit to you. That was awkward and cool at the same time. Nova said his will be a slight buy. So it's telling you buy, Tweak? Um, your Nova's telling you it's going to be a buy side? Dude, what's going on with TikTok? It fucking sucks right now. Should I change it to something else? Maybe we'll turn it to... Oh, no, you can't change. ChatGPT has been better, in my opinion, than recently. Okay, 4 minutes. Ooh, that's gangster. So you're gonna hold the sell still? My bias is still up. Remember, Cisco earnings are today, and McDonald's by 4. The 5-minute one. Oh, really? What did you end up getting? Lucid? Think Capital. What the? Almost a European thing. We're not gonna trade gold right now. Curious, we'll see what gold's doing. Oh, you know what? Think Capital. I did wasn't like Top Step gonna use them too or some shit. So you don't trade evals at all, Tweak? I mean like USA ones? That's a good one too. Fuck.
One minute now until we get the markets on close imbalance.
1 minute, motherfuckers. Oh, you trade live? Oh wow. Looks pretty. JM, what's up, brother? I need you to fix me again. My TikTok is broken. Wait, you're the JM before, right? Yeah. Keep
10
changing your name
seconds.
on JDM. All right.
Markets on close imbalance. S&P 500 sell side 160 million. Nasdaq 100 sell side 18 million. Dow 30 sell side 271 million. Mag 7 sell side 257 million.
You're behind the markets.
The
If
one
you're
name you
a
had was
real
like a
day
fucking robot name. Nothing burger. What was it exactly? It was a small cell. Wow, that's so small. -9 million. That's it. -9 million. It's waiting for Cisco, guys. It's waiting for Cisco for sure. And McDonald's, obviously. McDonald's is really probably going to show if inflation's too high. Because if nobody's purchasing McDonald's, that means that it's fucking inflation's still too high. See how this bias went red now? Curious. Microsoft. NVIDIA. I wonder if they're showing pre-sales. That actually might be the lowest I've ever seen it. 9 million, that's it. Pretty insane. This needs to break out. It's just gonna wait, guys, so. Thanks for the hearts. Thanks for the hearts.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei! Okay.
We have to be patient a little bit. Alright, there's just not that much trades right now. We had one little one there. $155. I got in on that trade, but I actually lost a tiny bit. Right here. I got in long, it held, and then it dumped. So I got out, right? I did short a little bit more, and then right here, my rockets. This was a banger. It was about $500 we made on this. But I was wrong the first time. It was a pretty good level. But I was wrong the first time. It didn't fucking hold. The 150, yeah, that's where I entered. And it dumped on me a little bit. A lot of it, actually. But we got back in for a nice banger. We just had to readjust. It was a tough one, though.
So in 5 minutes' time now on the cash equity close, we're expecting earnings from McDonald's, estimated EPS of $3.04, with an estimated revenue of $6.83 billion. For McDonald's, there is no specific time given for their earnings report, just that it's happening after the market close. At 5 minutes past the hour, so that's 10 minutes' time, we do get Cisco Systems Q2 2026 earnings with an estimated EPS of $1.02 and a revenue estimate of $15.12 billion.
What do you guys think? You think the McDonald's is gonna beat? How much McDonald's did you guys eat? Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I had to try McDonald's cheeseburger in Mexico. The spicy queso cheeseburger double. It tasted so fucking good. Oh my god. Like sex in my mouth. Can I say that on here? 200? I would fucking love if it came down 200. Yo, it was so good, Texas. And you know how they like have different rules too, like their Coca-Cola tastes much better and stuff like that. I don't really drink that stuff. Let's see, we got 3 minutes, right? 250s. JM is calling 250. But yo, double queso spicy, double spicy queso burger. Ah. 250s is the open. Wow, look at the fucking range on this today. Actually pretty wild. Oh, the open overnight. Gotcha. Asia. And I want to long this right now. Fuck. But I don't. Let's be patient. Sit on your fucking hands. Two minutes up. So we got McDonald's in 1 minute and 40 seconds, and then at 16:05 is Cisco Systems. Maybe we should have asked Nova what she thought about that, though. Got 1 minute left for McDonald's. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna move the Nasdaq. What do you guys think? Might be ES. You could still give a good ratio of inflation.
Surely expecting McDonald's earnings, and just over 5 minutes until we get Cisco's earnings report as well, with an estimated EPS of $1.02 and a revenue estimate of $15.12 billion.
250s. Let's see. You might not get until Cisco though, right? All right, all right. 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Oh, shit. Go to 250s. A daily? I don't want to switch over yet. I'm sorry. I'm being pressed, dude. Goes 250. It's going to wait for Cisco, though. ES is probably moving. I would fucking love 250, though. I would love 245 to be exact. 244.
McDonald's earnings coming through now. EPS at $3.03 versus $2.80 a year over year. Adjusted EPS a beat at $3.12 on estimates of $3.04. Revenue a beat at $7.01 billion on estimates of $6.83 billion. Their fourth quarter comp sales are plus 5.7%, a beat on estimates of plus 3.76%. IDL comp sales plus 4.5%, a beat on estimates of 2.43%. IOM comp sales 5.4%, a beat on estimates of 3.31%. And US comp sales at 6.8%, a beat on estimates of 5.05%.
So what? Did it fucking beat it or not?
McDonald's shares up around 2.6% in the post-market trading following their earnings report.
That's not even the big one, guys. We got 3 minutes. Fuck. It sounded like a beat. I'm waiting for it to come out. All right, McDonald's cool. Fourth quarter EPS 312, estimated 304. So yes, it did beat it. Revenue beat it by almost fucking like $500 million. Global sales were up. Yeah, it looks good. I don't know. It's holding at this fucking level here. Most likely, there's 23% of this order block, so it's probably going to come down. All right, we got 1 minute and 50 seconds left for Cisco. It was green for 2 weeks. What, McDonald's? See, these are down. Got 1 minute left. Oh, for a second, you're shorts. Gotcha. 258.
So we're now shortly
That's
expecting
pretty
earnings
fucking
from
precise.
Cisco Systems.
48 seconds. Doing this. Wow, was this hit? I might do the bottom right there. Let's see though. We gotta wait. Got 30 seconds left. Oh, they must have beat it.
Cisco earnings coming through. Revenue, a beat 15.3 billion on estimates of 15.12 billion. Adjusted EPS $1.04, a slight beat on estimates of $1.02. Adjusted gross margin, a miss at 67.5% on estimates of 68.1%. Product revenue, a beat at 11.64 billion on estimates of 11.24 billion. Services revenue, a miss at 3.71 billion on estimates of 3.84 billion. Forward guidance, they see fiscal year adjusted EPS at $4.13 to $4.17. Previously, they saw $4.08 to $4.14, so that's an increase in adjusted EPS forward guidance. They see their fiscal year revenue at 61.2 to $61.7 billion. Previously saw $60.2 to $61 billion. Again, an increase in fiscal year revenue forward guidance as well. Cisco shares up around 1.8% in post-market trade.
It didn't beat it by that much, guys.
Cisco also boosted their dividend 2% to 42 cents per share.
I mean, I guess fucking 413 million extra is pretty good.
Well, hello, everybody. This is Donald J. Trump. You're behind.
And it does fucking show, like, they got that shit quick, huh?
EPS at $1.02 to $1.04, a slight increase on prior estimates of $1.02.
Yeah, they were already in. I could have been in too, but I'm nervous with that fucking news. So silly. All right, Trump speaks at 4:30, so this probably isn't going to move for quite a while. I'll see if I can hop on tonight. I've been up since fucking 2 a.m., so I need to do something before I go cray-cray.
Let's keep in mind, any time from now, Trump is due to participate in the Champion of Coal event.
Well, that might be good for heat. Oh. If you guys are following, hit that follow button. Free Discord in the bio. If you guys want access to Lucid or Apex, they got 80% off right now for Apex. I believe 40% off for Lucid. Use code BULLY, all cash, BULLY, for the latest and greatest motherfucking discounts. Again, I'll try to hop on again for Power Hour tomorrow. I do have work, unfortunately, daytime. But I do be calling shit out in chat today. I'm going to try to hop on for an hour today if there's any movement. I got to force myself to get on a little bit, even though I'm tired, but I try my best. Other than that,
Bully Bears is out, doses.